Aloha mai kākou, it's Kumu Maile Naʻeau coming to you from Huaʻōlelo on the island of Molokaʻi. Our Manaʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is He keiki aloha ka mea kanu. Let's say it all together. He keiki aloha ka mea kanu. Maikaʻi, and what that translates to is beloved children are the plants. For those of you who love to spend time in the yard or in your farm, you know that plants need time, love, water, sunlight. And we need to care for them in order for them to grow and be healthy and give us lots of flowers and fruit. And the kauna, or the figurative meaning behind this, is the same goes for children. Children cannot thrive and grow and flourish if we do not care for them and give them the love and attention that we would to a plant, a living thing. So let's say it all together from the top. He keiki aloha ka mea kanu. Maikaʻi loa. Our ha'awina for today is how to say bless you in ʻōlelo Hawaii when someone sneezes. Repeat after me e ho'opili mai. Ola. Hanaho. Ola. That's a really easy one to incorporate into your everyday starting today. And what ola means is life, to live, to thrive. So it's wishing that one person who sneezes, may you be well, may you live. So let's try that one more time from the top. It's real easy. A'oia. Ola. Maikaʻi loa.